What's going on, guys? My name is Kevin Griffith and this is the Holler Barbecue. So today is another 2-Minute Tuesday where in 2 minutes or less I try to give you tips on your outdoor cooking. So today we're talking about cleaning our Blackstone Griddle. I used to use paper towels that would leave lint behind. Then I started using rags and that got really messy. But then I found these. So this is just Scots Rags in a box. They're a lot thicker than a normal paper towel. More, even on here, says they're strong, absorbent, and more cloth-like to the touch. So that's what I use. Let me show you. All right, so the way I use them, they come just like paper towels. They're perforated. I usually get 2 of them. And then I just fold it until it makes just a nice thick cloth. And then when I'm oiling my grill to get ready to cook, I just put a little bit of oil down. And just use this cloth just to wipe a nice light coating of oil straight across it. Now if this was a paper towel, it would already start shredding. But since this is a lot thicker than a paper towel, it doesn't really shred. Unless you leave it on there too long, it will. But just a nice wipe down makes it perfect. So I pick them up at Ace. They're around 15 bucks a box. I'll put a link in the description below for Amazon if you want to order online. All right, guys, that's it for 2-Minute Tuesdays. Thanks for watching. As always, you got any questions or comments, go ahead and put them below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And always, holler back.